In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Microsoft Teams background before a meeting. Whether you're looking to add a touch of professionalism or simply want a fun background, this quick tutorial will guide you through the process with ease. So, let's dive right in and get started. First things first, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Microsoft Teams. This is your virtual workspace where you'll not only communicate with your team but also join video meetings. The link will take you directly to the home page of Teams. Once you're there, look around and find the Meet button. This is the starting point of your journey in setting up the meeting environment to your liking. After clicking on Meet, you should see a list of upcoming meetings you might be a part of or have already scheduled. At this point, identify the meeting you wish to join and then click on Join. This step ensures that you're heading towards the meeting setup without actually entering the meeting room just yet. Now, before joining the meeting itself, let's make sure your camera is ready and set up. You'll notice there's a toggle to switch your camera on or off. It's always a good idea to turn your camera on for a better connection with your colleagues. Just so you know, this is where you get to see yourself on the screen and make sure everything appears perfect before proceeding. Moving forward, click on Background Filters. This feature is fantastic as it allows you to either blur your background for a more seamless look or choose from a variety of preset images that fit the tone of your meeting. If you prefer customized backgrounds, there's an option to upload your own image, although that would be better explored in another session for more complex setups. Once you've selected the background that best fits your needs, be sure to preview it to ensure it aligns with your expectations. Think of this as a final look in the mirror before stepping into the meeting room. It's a quick opportunity to make any last-minute changes if needed. Finally, when you're satisfied with how everything looks, click on the Join Now button. And there you have it, you're all set for your meeting with a personalized background of your choosing, giving you that extra touch of personality or professionalism. That wraps up our tutorial. By following these steps, you've now learned how to effectively change your Microsoft Teams background prior to a meeting. It can really enhance your virtual presence and make your meetings a bit more enjoyable. Thanks for joining me in this session. I hope you find it helpful, and feel free to come back next time for more tips and tricks.